What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got a rope, shorty, dripping, that's Christian Dior. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got a rope, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got a rope, shorty ain't tripping, she got a ghost. Shorty, she bad, she got a bag, she not one of those.
In today's video, we're going to be working with Alipearl hair. I was sent a 5x5 20-inch curly wear go wig, and y'all, when I say this hair is really wear and go, this hair is really wear and go. First of all, let's get into this curl pattern. The curl pattern is so freaking pretty. I didn't want to add too much border to it. I want to keep this natural look, y'all, and I love I don't know, sometimes when it comes to curly hair, I want the wet look, and then I want like that dry natural look. And y'all, this wig is it. I ain't gonna hold you, this might be one of the prettiest patterns I've ever received when it comes to curly hair. And y'all, this wig comes pre-plucked, y'all. I didn't pluck anything. Pre-bleached and pre-cut, y'all. These glueless wigs are really in right now, y'all. Look how, watch how, boom, that lace just disappears, y'all. Literally disappears. And I love how tight their band is inside. I feel like the tighter the band, the better the melt. And literally, y'all, the lace is like, the lace went right into my skin. Like, what lace, honey? This wig is it. I love this hair. It literally took me like less than 5 minutes to install this hair. Like, I'm not even joking. You don't need no type of skills. You don't need to be a professional. Nothing. The wig comes done for you. So all you're really doing is just throwing it on your head and going. And if you have to, just flatten the top or add some water if you want. But y'all, this wig is 100% glueless. As you guys can see, I didn't do nothing to this hair. All I did was took out the packaging, flatten the top, add a little water, and that's literally it. That's nothing. That's literally nothing. You don't have to cut, you don't have to bleach, you don't gotta pluck, and I feel like that's the hardest part. And thank God the hardest part was done for me. So when I got the wig, I ain't gotta do much but throw it on my head. That's it. And that's why I feel like this wig is 100% beginner friendly, because you literally don't have to do nothing. You don't need no type of skills, no nothing. Another thing I love about this hair, you guys know I love to switch my wigs up. So you can literally just take off your wig and go as you please. Even if you're going to sleep, I know sometimes people don't like to sleep with a wig on their head. I know sometimes people don't like to sleep with a wig on their head, which is me. So I love the fact that I could take this wig off at night and throw it right back on in the morning as if I got a whole new fresh install. But you guys already know I highly recommend Alipearl hair. All the hair details will be down below. This same exact wig will also be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On order 70K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.